Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see stocks for tomorrow, 20th July. And the first stock is DKL. DKL will buy above 233 in intraday. This you can buy for swing as well, and you have to keep stop loss somewhere below this neckline. Okay, neckline is here. So we will keep stop loss around 220 and wait for at least 15-minute candle close for swing. Then next is Alembic Limited. This will buy above 114 intraday. Then we have TCI Express. This will buy above 1635. If you want to take risk, you can buy above 1620 as well. If it opens somewhere below 1620 and breaks this level, then you can buy. Okay. The next is Ingerrand. Ingerrand will buy above 1045 in intraday. UTI AMC will buy above 920. Glaxo will buy above 1650, and this is good for swing trade as well, because in intraday the spread, I think buyer seller difference will be more in this stock. Maybe I am not aware of this. You can check it. So better go with cash if the difference is more. The next is Rain Industry. Rain Industry will buy above 245. So here are some candles. The last time it has taken resistance in 2018. So slight chance we can take here. We may expect 254 255, so we can take a chance in this stock in intraday. Then in cash stocks you have Burger King will buy above 180. Then we have SMS Pharma. Today it didn't move much, so now we can buy this above 192. Then we have Usha Mart we can buy above 61. Gati we can buy above 170. Lumex Tech, this today has given good move, so it may give and volume is also high, so we can take a risk above day high 181. The next is Hickel will buy above 575. Then we have Ind Swift Lab, this we can buy above 125. Then we have BF Utility, this we can buy above 540. Then few stocks for swing. Prestige, it has given breakout and is still holding, so you can buy this and add in dips till 325, and you have to keep stop loss this 312, this line. IIFL Wealth Management, this also you can buy for swing, but don't invest much in this stock. This is also given breakout and holding, so this also you can buy, and better if you buy over 1450, you may get a good move. Then we have Bacter Food. This you can buy because it is broken this and closed also, and today's high is 457.9. So better you buy above 458, and you can buy this for both intraday and swing. Then we have Cupid also given breakout and candle is not good, so better you buy this above 272 now for swing trade. Then we have Gillette also, it is sustaining above 6000 level, so you can buy this for swing trade and keep stop loss around 5800. Then Bok Pharma also is sustaining above 580 level, this also you can buy for swing trade. Gensartech, this has given breakout here, so if you want for positional you can start adding this in dips starting from 365 at least you can start. Then we have ATFL. ATFL looks risky. I think this is better only for intraday. If you get it above 1050, then you can try. And this is Mindspace. It may make a double bottom. Risk is less, so you can check this stock as well. Okay. I think you should enter above day high 287, 288. Stop loss you can keep 274, 275, and if you want to take less risk you can keep even 278 also. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone.